Hi guys, and today we are doing another car care video, and what are we doing today? We are doing an interior valet on this MX5. You might have seen this in a past video, so that'll be in the top right corner. Go and watch that right now. So first we need to remove the roof, and then we'll get into it. So now that the roof is off, we can start. I'm starting off by taking the floor mats out and then hoovering the carpets. I'm just using this brush to agitate all the small parts of dirt and stuff in the car. So now I'm going to hoover the seats, and I'm going to use my small adapter for the hoover. So now we're moving on to the floor mats. I'm going to hoover these off and then give them a quick shampoo. Now I'm just agitating all the dirt with this small detailing brush. That's one side done. Now we need to move on to the other side. Now I'm going to be cleaning the seat sliders. A lot of people forget about these, but they do get dirty over time. Now I'm just going over most of the interior with a dry detailing brush just to get all the dust out. Now, the dashboard wasn't dirty, so I just went over it with a microfiber cloth, but I'm going to spray the steering wheel down now. Now I'm spraying all the surfaces down with some flash dash to give it that shine. So that is the car done, and here is the results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment down below video ideas for me in the future, and please subscribe if you're new or you're just watching my videos and you're not. So bye.